pen, pen. I write with a pen. Pencil, pencil. She's drawing with a pencil. Ruler, ruler. The ruler is 30 centimeters. Rubber, eraser. He uses a rubber to correct mistakes. Pencil case, pencil case. My pens are in my pencil case. Exercise book, notebook. I write in my exercise book. Pencil sharpener, pencil sharpener. I need a sharpener for my pencil. Calculator, calculator. She uses a calculator in maths. Highlighter, highlighter. I highlight the important words. Glue stick, glue stick. He uses a glue stick for art. Scissors, scissors. The scissors are on the desk. Folder, folder. I put my papers in a folder. Ring binder, ring binder. My homework is in a binder. Paper clip, paper clip. She uses a paper clip on her documents. Stapler, stapler. I need a stapler for these papers. Staples, staples. I put some staples inside the stapler. Whiteboard, whiteboard. The teacher writes on the whiteboard. Board marker, board marker. She uses a board marker in class. Chalk, Chalk. He writes on the blackboard with chalk. Compass. Compass. We draw circles with a compass. What's in your pencil case? Write and tell us in the comments below. Remember to like and subscribe for more vocabulary videos. Okay, bye-bye.